Are you looking for some home project inspiration? Well, look no further than our Sailrite workbench. We just released a 4-part series where we partnered with Crypton Fabrics to create 4 luxury cushion DIY projects. We made a square ottoman, a round ottoman, a floor cushion, and a beanbag. Each project showcases a different Crypton Home Fabric. Did you know that Crypton offers performance fabrics that are also incredibly soft and luxurious? So no need to choose between function and beauty. Crypton Home Fabrics perfectly combine the two so that you can have it all at an affordable price. Designed with proprietary stain and odor-resistant technology, Crypton Fabrics can handle anything that you throw at them. Kids, pets, spills, nothing is too messy for Crypton. If you're looking for a dependable, worry-free fabric that can keep up with your active lifestyle, Crypton is the fabric for you. And what better way to showcase this fabric collection's range of possibilities than with a project series? In these videos, you will learn how to add a decorative top stitch, how to add piping to an upholstery project, how to create a frameless ottoman with foam, how to add buttons to a cushion application, how to pattern a curve, and more. So no stress if you're new to sewing or you're an experienced sewer, because these projects are made for everyone. And did I mention that all these projects include a free pattern? We've linked this project series in the description below so that you can create your own one-of-a-kind cushion project. And if you do create a project of your own, we would love to see it, so be sure to tag us on social. And if you don't already follow us on our social medias, you're really missing out. We've linked them in the description below. What are you guys still doing here? Go check out the project series and get inspired to create something. We'll see you guys next time.